Applying total superheat to a mini split. Using the total superheat measurement on an inverter system to determine the refrigerant charge level is not practical because rarely is a technician supplied with the target superheat. Inverter mini split systems are continually adjusting the speed, position, and or operating capacity of multiple components within the system, so the actual total superheat changes while running. Trying to measure the charge level of a running inverter system and adding refrigerant in based on the measurements can lead to system problems of either undercharging or overcharging.